Fine. So I told you about the excretory system. Why is it needed in your body? सिर्फ उतना ही हमने टच किया था जिस टॉपिक को, ज़्यादा हमने कवर नहीं किया था. Do you remember? Okay. Next up, I told you about the excretory organs and the definition of excrete. Okay. We all go to now the definition. This is any which way is going to be repeated. तो ये अगर तभी ध्यान नहीं दिया तो तब हो जाएगा आगे जाके. अब सुनो. Excretion as a process. Excretion is a process, and the process is handled by a system called as excretory system. If you have to define excretion, you will have to write something very important that says it is the removal of harmful and nitrogenous waste product from the body. तुमने definition में nitrogenous नहीं लिखा, your marks will be deducted. It is that important. Okay? Nitrogenous waste. Easy? अच्छा. अब अगर मैंने तुमको आउट ऑफ ब्लू कभी पूछ लिया कि which is the excretory organ, main excretory organ of your body, it is the kidney. But उसके अलावा there are accessory excretory organs. The word accessory means kind of extra. We wear accessories. Accessories का मतलब क्या होगा नहीं होगा ज़्यादा इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. But यहाँ पे there are three organs that are given to you. One is skin, the other is lungs, and then we have kidney. Right, liver. Kidney तो main है. It's like the main hero. और बाकी तीन कौन है? Skin, lungs, and liver. Okay, why do I say that they are accessory excretory organs? Because they also help in removal of nitrogenous waste, but not that much how the kidney helps our body. So if you talk about skin, why am I giving you skin as an example? Because skin will release or produce sweat. If you see the composition of sweat, उस sweat के composition में तुमको urea भी दिखेगा, but it is traces. It is like 1% of the urea that is actually produced. तुम्हारी body में अगर कुछ 100 ml produce हो रहा है, I'm just giving you an example. 100 ml produce हो रहा है तो sweat में सिर्फ 1 ml निकल सकता है बाहर. तो उस पे rely तो नहीं कर सकते हम. समझ आ रहा है? Next up, if you talk about liver, liver takes care of ammonia. जो भी अमोनिया का बाहर भेजना है या उसको ब्रेक डाउन करना या एक्सेस ऑफ बाइल जो है उसको ब्रेक डाउन करना या अनवांटेड रेड ब्लड सेल्स है उसको ब्रेक डाउन करना, ये सारा कार्यक्रम कौन देख रहा है? लीवर. सो इट्स आल्सो हेल्पिंग thus helping your body. And then we have lungs. So the lungs will help in taking care of carbon dioxide and a little of water vapor. Hence the exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide. I'm not saying that it is pure carbon dioxide. No. बचपन में ऐसा पढ़ते थे कि इनहेल करते ऑक्सीजन और बाहर देते कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. It is inhalation of air, exhalation of air. But the exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide, less of oxygen, and it has water vapor also. That's the reason when you exhale on a glass surface, you'll be able to see little mist over there. Correct? That's the reason these all three are called as accessory excretory organ. और main तो kidney है. Kidney acts like a filter of your blood. अगर किडनी फेल हो जाता है तो बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लिकेशन उस टाइम से शुरू हो जाना चालू है, क्योंकि तुम्हारे ब्लड में बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में all these nitrogenous waste are going to accumulate. इतना ज़्यादा टॉक्सिन हो जाएगा उधर कि the body is not able to handle it.
सेल्स में जाएगा ना वो.
Of course. समझ रहा? Also, the need of oxygen is the far most. थोड़ी देर मैं क्या बोल रही थी? Far more than the other organs. Your kidney take up oxygen like crazy. क्योंकि किडनी बहुत ज़्यादा काम करता है, पूरा टाइम ब्लड को फिल्टर करता है, तो उसका ऑक्सीजन डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, 6 to 7 times more than the other organs. It needs oxygen so much. उसको भी ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, जैसे हार्ट को भी ऑक्सीजन चाहिए था, वैसे किडनी is also working on it. It also needs oxygen. Easy. So I just told you about excretion का definition, and I told you why we term lungs, liver, skin as accessory excretory organ and kidney as the main excretory organ. Now you go on to the excretory system जो दिया हुआ है तुमको, the urinary system या excretory system. I said it's a system, so it will have organs. Which 4 organs did I talk about? Kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. 4. ठीक है, मैंने तुमको ये भी बोला था कि यूरेटर एंड यूरेथ्रा में कंफ्यूज हो सकते हैं जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ने में. दे आर डिफरेंट. Kidneys are in pair, so we have right kidney, we have left kidney. Then ureters are the tube-like structures that emerge out from the kidney and they will join to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is nothing but a muscular bag that will contain urine for temporary basis. And then there is urethra, which helps in the expulsion of urine, which is guarded by a sphincter. Sphincter will help to release or to expel out the urine. If the sphincter is relaxed, the sphincter opens. If it is constricted, that means it's closed. This was just a little introduction. Okay? Talking about kidney, तुमको dimension भी दिया था last time हमने बोला था 10 और 6 दिया हुआ है. So 10 centimeters in length and 6 centimeters in breadth. Okay? Also, it is on the either side of the backbone, protected by the last two ribs. Do you remember the rib structure? Last time किया था. जो ribs है ना, thorax region उसमें ribs. There are how many ribs? 12 pairs. We always say 12 pairs. Out of 12, 12 है? Out of 7, 9, 10, 11. Yes. 7 are 2 ribs. क्योंकि वो sternum से joined है. Sternum is the breastbone or the chest bone. 8, 9, 10 will articulate to the 7. और 11 और 12 वो यहाँ तक आते हैं कुछ. They call it floating ribs because they do not connect. क्योंकि अगर वो आगे connect करते तो abdomen में जगह नहीं होती बाकी सबको and मतलब accommodate होने. So they are just halfway. If you talk about the location of kidney in your body, it is a wrong, it's a misconception that many people, I'm not saying about you, many people have that kidneys are located in the front ear. It's not here, it's in the back side. Either side of the backbone and they are protected by the last rib. So थोड़ा सा ऊपर होगा, उस हिसाब से तुम्हारा rib याद तो नहीं आएगा, समझ आ रहा है? So they were protected again by the last two ribs, the floating ribs that are there, and back side, either of the backbone. Easy? समझ आ गया? ठीक है? ऐसा मुंह मत बनाओ, डाउट है क्या तुमको? हाँ. Then nod your head. Okay. Next up, the right side will not be able to breathe. And you want that. The right kidney is a little lower than the left one. I told you even if you are drawing it, अगर God forbid आ गया drawing में तो भी right और left में थोड़ा सा फर्क दिखना चाहिए लेवल में. यहाँ right यहाँ left मत बनाना, इतना बुद्धिमती मत दिखाना. Okay, it's a little slight. That's it. And why is it like that? Because it has to accommodate the liver. ठीक है? हमने पता circulatory पढ़ा था, उसमें देखा था कि जो left lungs होता है वो it's a little smaller than the right one. Why? Because the heart is tilted towards the left side. Okay, so you remember this. Next up, I was talking about ureters. Ureters origin. जी. ऊपर की side. हाँ. इसके ऊपर. If I have to draw the kidney, अगर kidney draw करेंगे तो एक होता है concave side, एक होता है convex side. And can you see I have drawn it like this? It's constricting here. This region where it is constricting like this is the notch region. Notch इसीलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि ऐसे दिख रहा है constrict होते हुए ऐसा बांध दिया है वैसा लग रहा है. This is called as the hilum or the hilum. This region is called as hilum or hilum. ये seed में पढ़ा होगा तुमको याद होगा. Seed chapter पढ़ा था 9th standard में. It had seed cover, concave side or convex side and here the scar was there. जिसको hilum बोलते थे micropyle था. So ऐसा कुछ याद होगा. Okay? So hilum or hilum you say. Next is the urinary bladder will be emerging out from here. अगर इसको देखो तो ये ऐसे बाहर जाता है ureter. This is the ureter that I'm talking about. So it's a very much muscular tube-like structure that will come out from the pelvis. Can you see this conical structure? This is called as pelvis. समझ आया? So the pelvis, expanded portion is the pelvis and this pelvis will go and further merge into the ureters, or I can say the ureters emerge out from the pelvis region of the kidney. Yes my dear.
मैम इधर आइलैंड को कुछ और ही बोला.
क्या बोला?
आपने वो बोला इसको बोलते हैं, मैंने तो ये और कोई मार्क किया है.
नॉच. ये जो है ना ये पोर्शन, अगर सोचो मैंने ये ड्रॉ ही नहीं किया होता. कैन यू सी दिस पोर्शन? ठीक है? It's a region, it's not a point. See, ये दिख रहा है? ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक का portion, this is called as hilum. इसको बोलते हैं notch. समझ आ? Is it coming like this? This is called as notch. So notch is an area where you can see the pelvis and the pelvis then will further on form the ureter. Okay. Also, the urine produced in the kidney constantly flows through the ureter and it is conducted into the it is stored into the urinary bladder. ये मैंने पहले बोला था. Urinary bladder intermittently empties the urine. The urine is intermittently emptied by the urinary bladder to the outside of the body through the urethra. There is a word given to you, intermittently. Intermittently means at irregular intervals. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि सबको 3 बजे ही लगेगा वॉशरूम जाने को या 6 बजे ही लगेगा या तुम्हारे बॉडी में कोई क्लॉक सेट है कि 2-2 घंटे में तुमको जाना पड़ता है. It's nothing like that. If right now also you start drinking more of water, maybe in 5-10 minutes you will be having an urge for urination. So intermittently का मतलब होता है at irregular intervals the urinary bladder will get emptied and it will pour out urine outside to the body through the urethra. The opening of the ureters into the bladder are somewhat projecting and acting like valves to prevent the backflow of the urine where the bladder contracts to pass out the urine. Hence, to prevent the backflow, there is a sphincter that is present. The sphincter is made up of circular muscle. Is it given in your bracket? Circular muscle. तो circular muscle contract हो सकते हैं और circular muscles relax हो सकते हैं. समझ आया? So if I say the circular muscles are contracted, tell me what will happen to the valve? Will it close or open? Close. And if it is relaxed, it will open. Easy? Okay. Next up. Relaxes only at the time of urination. There is a word given to you that says micturition. Urination का दूसरा नाम है micturiation. We do not use that term now and then, but it's a scientific term that you should be knowing because you are studying the chapter. Micturition under an impulse from the brain. So it is related to your nervous system. मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले भी शायद एक बार बोला था कि तुम्हारे सारे सिस्टम कोऑर्डिनेटेड है एक दूसरे से. समझ आया? तो अगर नर्वस सिस्टम में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो और तुम्हारा इम्पल्स पासिंग जो होता है ना वो डिले हो जाता है, then this is not going to be coordinated. जब एक इम्पल्स आता है तभी वो स्फिंक्टर रिलैक्स होगा या क्लोज होगा. So you understand how important is your nervous system? समझ आया? Okay. Next is we talk about internal structure of the kidney. This is very easy and it might come for drawing because it does not take time. Also it can come for diagram based question with everything. So if you talk about internal structure of the kidney, you take an LS of the kidney and you will understand how the internal structure is. The kidney is bean shaped. It has a concave side, it has a convex side. I told you about this notch region that's called as hilum or hilum. This region, cup shaped region, is called as the pelvis. Pelvis दिया या pelvic दिया? Pelvis. Sorry, pelvis. ठीक है? Also, if you look at it, can you see this outer region? तुम्हारे बुक में देखोगे तो यहाँ पे ऐसा एक रीजन है और फिर you will be seeing some triangular shaped structures like this. Are you able to see? This inverted. Yes. So this region, the outer region of any of the organ will be called as
Cortex. Medulla.
Okay. And is it darker or lighter? क्या दिया है? Darker. The outer region is darker, the inner region is lighter. तुम्हारी बुक में शायद शेड यहाँ वहाँ है, but you will remember that it has a darker cortex and this region is a little lighter. So it is called as medulla. You see this word medulla. Medulla बहुत सारी चीज में आता है, इसीलिए बहुत जरूरी है देखना कि किसका medulla है. When it comes to this structure, you always add one particular word. Renal cortex or the word renal means kidney. If somebody says renal disorders, you have to understand it is kidney disorder. ठीक है? तो cortex dark होगा, medulla, renal medulla light होगा. The renal medulla consists of pyramids. Are you able to see this? It's having striations like this, or rather I can say stripes like this. Okay? These are called as the renal pyramids. Okay? अगर तुमको ये वर्ड दिया है कि नहीं दिया है, I advise you to write it. Renal word लिख लो. ठीक है? Pyramids दिया है. I advise you to write renal pyramids. सारे में renal डाल दो. Next, between two pyramids, are you able to see this structure? This is called as the renal column. Again write renal column or you can write column also. इसमें तो renal column दिया ही होगा. तो pyramids के बीच में जो जगह है वो होगा renal column.
Renal capsule भी है.
Last one we have is renal capsule. Is it given up with your
capsule है.
पैपिले दिया है.
कॉर्टेक्स अंदर का भी है.
हाँ मैम.
हाँ कॉर्टेक्स भी है.
अरे ये वाला रीजन इज कॉर्टेक्स बच्चा. ये दिख रहा है.
कैप्सूल बाहर का है.
कैप्सूल इज द आउटर मोस्ट. कैप्सूल देखा है तुमने? एक कैप्सूल में कैसे दवाई भर के रखते हैं, तो कैप्सूल मतलब सबसे बाहर का. सो द आउटर मोस्ट विल बी कॉल्ड एज कैप्सूल. देन यू सी दिस. अभी मैं यहाँ पर 3D स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ नहीं कर पाऊंगी. कैन यू सी दिस रीजन? दिस इज द रीनल कॉर्टेक्स. This pyramid wala structure is the renal medulla. So can I say renal medulla is made up of renal pyramids and renal column? This understood? Next, can you see these are inverted triangle structures? The apex or the tip is called as the papillae. ये word आगे भी कहीं आया था. हमारा ध्यान था कि नहीं था? मुझे देखते हैं. Anybody? The word papillae was there when I got you something. Circulatory system वाला hint दे दिया. बताओ.
नहीं आता.
The ventricle walls या the ventricular walls, their projections are called as papillae. जब मैं ट्राइकस की बाइकस की सिखा रही थी, घर में जाके देखो. It's there in your text. जब तुम ये पढ़ोगे ना कोऑर्डिनेट एंड उसमें वो उसके आसपास तुमको पैपिले देखने मिलेगा या पैपिलरी मसल्स देखने मिलेगा. वर्ड दिस इज डन. यस
What is pelvis?
पेल्विस इज दिस बेसिक रीजन. बेसिक या इसको कप बोलते हैं. ठीक है. तुम्हारे बुक में देखो. कैन आर यू एबल टू सी दिस रीजन? यहाँ पे तो अच्छे से हाईलाइट करके दिया है. कैन यू सी दिस? ठीक है. ओके. So this is how the internal structure of the kidney is. I hope this is a little clear. ठीक है. हाइलम या वीनम. मार्क यहाँ करो ऐसा. यहाँ वाले में देखो. Are you able to see हाइलम मार्क here?
वहाँ हम लोग को दिया है कि जो स्पेस है वो है.
Here, okay?
वो कॉम हायर है ना.
हाँ हाँ राइट. तो जो अगर ये किडनी है, अरे ये किडनी है स्लो. ठीक है. तो अगर एक मैं धागा ऐसा बांध दिया, are you able to see this region, this constriction? This is the notch that I'm talking. And from the notch the pelvis is coming out like this. ठीक है. ये what the hell वाले सबने देखा, तुमने नहीं देखा. पता नहीं कौन सा ग्रंथ लिख रहे हो. What did I say? मैंने ये बोला कि अगर can you see this is this way ऐसा. अब ये notch दिख रहा है तुमको. This notch is the hilum and from here the pelvis is coming out. You understand this? Okay. So if you have understood this.